So, hi, my name is Jitesh Agarwal. I am founder of Stock Setu. We have partnered with AC Agarwal Stockbroking Company. It is based from Baroda. So, we help investors and trader to take the leap and jump in the stock market. So, today we'll talk something very interesting. लोग बोलते हैं अक्सर कि ट्रेडिंग एक गैम्बलिंग है, एंड यू ऑल्सो हियर फ्रॉम सो मेनी सोर्सेस. कोई दोस्त बोलता है अरे मत करो ट्रेड, ट्रेड एक गैम्बलिंग है, इन्वेस्ट मत करो, स्टॉक मार्केट सट्टा है, जुआ है. And at the same time, you get data from NSE, SEBI, that almost 90% of traders and investors lose money. And this fear grabs onto new investors and traders. And at the same time, you see in social media so many people earning good amount of money, creating huge wealth from stock market. So exactly what it is, ये क्वेश्चन एड्रेस करना जरूरी है फॉर न्यू इन्वेस्टर as well as those investors who have burned their fingers in stock market. So whether it is a gambling or it is not a gambling, क्या है क्या ये स्टॉक मार्केट? एंड फॉर अ न्यू इन्वेस्टर ये फियर से निकलना जरूरी है टू एंटर इन द स्टॉक मार्केट. सो आइए इस चीज को एड्रेस करते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो मार्केट अगर आप देखते हैं ऑन द ब्रॉडर स्पेक्ट्रम, पीपल ट्रेड एंड इन्वेस्ट इन स्टॉक मार्केट. It is very easy to open a demat account with few click of a button. And after opening a demat account, what any person or a new investor does, they immediately go to social media, hunt for random tips, and start doing investing or trading from their own, without understanding the nuances of stock market, without understanding what exactly is the risk associated with the stock market. अगर वो ही करना है तो गैम्बलिंग ही है. And I'll be very frank with you. एक गैम्बलर का माइंडसेट क्या होता है? एक गैम्बलर का माइंडसेट होता है जल्दी से जल्दी कम से कम समय में पैसा कमाना. द लार्जेस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी वन वांट टू एक्वायर इन द लीस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. दैट इज द गैम्बलर्स माइंडसेट. एंड आई विल बी वेरी फ्रैंक विथ यू, I also came in the market with the similar mindset. And in fact, every new investor or new trader comes in the stock market with the similar mindset. Then how is it different from gambling? And that's the reason 90% of people burn their money within 90 days. सो ये माइंडसेट को अंडरस्टैंड करना, ये थियरी को समझना जरूरी है. सो स्टॉक मार्केट एक्ट्स लाइक अ मिरर. व्हाई मिरर? बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू अ प्लेन इक्वल opportunities a professional trader gets. But if you exploit it without understanding your risk profile, then automatically it is a gambling. So my dear friends, आप लोग को समझना होगा कि आपका रिस्क प्रोफाइल क्या है एंड स्टॉक मार्केट एक वेल्थ क्रिएशन इंजन कैसे बन सकता है. To understand that, we'll understand basic blocks of stock market. Once you open a demat account, you need to have a clear-cut definition of risk. कि भाई हाँ ये मेरा risk appetite है, and on based of that, you need to do your investing. So investing is always personalized. Investing cannot go unanimously and common for one person to another person. मेरा risk appetite is different. Someone else's risk appetite is completely different. And the gambler's mindset, that is individual personality. So stock market being a mirror, being an equal opportunity giver, gives you the same opportunity a person with a gambler mindset and a person with a trader mindset. So always consider stock market as a business. And once you consider stock market as a business, automatically you look stock market as a business, understanding how the nuances works. You will keep your watch on what the cost structures are. You will keep a watch how your trading system performs, how you utilize your capital. So friends, मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाना चाहता हूँ. मेरा एक बहुत क्लोज रिलेटिव है. He came into stock market with an intention to earn massive amount of wealth. So क्या किया वो? अपना कैपिटल लाया and he started taking risk left, right, center. And he had an intention of generating 10-20% a month. भाई इससे बढ़िया बिजनेस हो नहीं सकता. I see this boss. मैं ये ट्रेड लिया था. I invested in this company and within 1 month it got 10%. And see, in 1 month 10%, and he started doing calculation. See, within 1 year I'll double my money. By 5th year almost my money would get so many times. And that's how the stock market is. You don't know, boss, how to trade. And that's when I understood that this person would lose money within 3.5 months itself. Because the risk what he was taking was huge. And just not that. वो रिस्क लेने के बाद ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द मार्केट रिएक्ट्स. प्रॉफिट हमेशा नहीं होता है मार्केट में. जब लॉस होता है, जब वो लॉस को किस तरीका से समझना चाहिए. एंड उसको किस तरीके से एवेल्युएट करना चाहिए वो समझ रखना ज़रूरी है। एंड वो ही हुआ उनके साथ। मैं 3 महीने का टाइम फ्रेम लेके चल के रखा था कि भाई 3 मंथ्स के अंदर अंदर उनका पोर्टफोलियो खत्म हो जाएगा, बट फॉर माई शॉक विद इन 15 डेज ही उनका पोर्टफोलियो जीरो हो गया था, बिकॉज अपसर्ड रिस्क लेने के वजह से द कैपिटल इरोडेड वेरी फास्ट। सो माई डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप गैम्बल कर रहे हो स्टॉक मार्केट में बाई टेकिंग ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्क, तो आप यू विल बर्न योर फिंगर्स वेरी फास्ट। And on the same time, I see people trade with a very specific system, understanding how the risk is, and they are minting money. So यही बात मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाह रहा हूँ। एक स्टॉक मार्केट में बंदा गैम्बल करके पैसा लूज करता है, एक बंदा वही ट्रेड करता है, एज अ बिजनेस उसको लेता है एंड पैसा बहुत कमाता है। सो आई हैव सीन एन नंबर ऑफ पीपल इन social media platform. I have met so many people. They do trading. They do trading as a business. Once you do it as a business, you understand what your system is, what your risk appetite is, how the money management works, and there is a complete structure and process to it. A business runs on process. A gambler runs on emotions. And that's the crucial point. If you want to go ahead in the market and earn money, then you need to deploy processes. You need to deploy systems. You need to understand the risk. And that's where you will get your edge. And once you find your edge, nobody can stop you from earning in the markets. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वैसे ही टाइम पे आप देखते हैं राकेश झुंझुनवाला जी है, ऐसे बहुत सारे ट्रेडर्स हैं जो बहुत पैसा कमाए इसमें। क्यों? दे वर नॉट गैम्बलर्स, they were process oriented, they were risk managers, and efficient risk managers will always earn money because पहले risk को address करते हैं, then they focus on reward. एंड माई डियर फ्रेंड्स, जो आदमी इस प्रोसेस को समझ लिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली ही हैज मैच्योर्ड फ्रॉम अ गैम्बलर्स माइंडसेट टू अ ट्रेडर माइंडसेट। मेरा खास दोस्त है, ही इज इनटू ट्रेडिंग एंड ही इज बीन डूइंग ट्रेडिंग सिंस ऑलमोस्ट 6.5 years, and he has almost quadrupled his money within a span of 3.5 years. तो इतना शॉर्ट स्पैन में इतना पैसा कैसे कमाया वो? Because he did consistent risk management, assessment of his trading system, and regularly updating his knowledge. जब ये आदमी इसको एज अ बिजनेस मॉडल समझता है एंड ही अंडरस्टैंड्स कि कितना रिस्क लेना है पर ट्रेड एंड अंडरस्टैंड्स हिज साइकोलॉजी बिहाइंड एवरी ट्रेड, देन automatically the things will fall in line and your edge starts working in those favors. And जब मार्केट में ड्रॉडाउन फेज आता है, when the market is not favorable, क्योंकि कोई भी ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम रहने दीजिए या कोई भी पर्सन रहने दीजिए, हर समय एक जैसा नहीं रहता है। एक टाइम पे बुल रन चल रहा है, एक टाइम पे बेरिश हो जाता है या साइडवेज कंसोलिडेशन हो जाता है। एट दैट टाइम इज योर टेस्टिंग फेज। योर ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम विल टेस्ट यू, your markets will test you, it will test your psychology, it will test your system, everything. And at that time, if you can focus on your process, automatically things will align. And wahi kiya mera dost. When he started trading almost 2019, he was very much consistent, but in 2022 things were not going very good, but still he maintained his focus, he maintained his system, and within a very short span of time he recovered from drawdown, and every 3.5 years he doubles his money. That is the power of trading. So trading cannot be taken lightly. If you know Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ji, he was a trader as well as an investor. A massive amount of wealth was created using trading. So he famously quotes, the mother of my investments is trading. So trading in itself has a very good edge because the ROI is fantastic. But the challenge is you need to understand the process, you need to understand the risk. And same goes with investing also. A person who is investing on a longer time frame horizon, he is also a trader on a longer time frame. And in that case, you need to be efficient enough in managing your capital. So that is how a trader and an investor educates himself and earns from the market by addressing risk. So my dear friends, before coming into stock market, gather some information about it and understand how these building blocks are worked and build a portfolio accordingly.